Experiencing trouble connecting your Viofo A129 Duo dashcam to your phone via Wi-Fi? You're not alone. Many users face this issue, but thankfully, it's often solvable. This video will guide you through troubleshooting steps to restore your connection. We'll cover common causes, recent fixes, and expert tips to ensure a stable link between your dashcam and smartphone. The Viofo A129 Duo creates a built-in Wi-Fi hotspot that operates on either 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz frequency bands. This allows your smartphone to connect wirelessly without needing additional equipment. The hotspot uses standard Wi-Fi protocols, and you connect by entering the correct network name and password in your phone's Wi-Fi settings. Once connected, the Viofo app enables features like live viewing of your dashcam feed, downloading recorded footage, and adjusting camera settings. The 2.4 GHz band is more common but can be crowded with interference from other devices. The 5 GHz band offers faster speeds and less interference in many environments. Signal interference can come from various sources like microwaves, Bluetooth devices, or other Wi-Fi networks. To maintain a stable connection, position your phone within 10 to 15 meters of the dash cam and ensure both devices are on the same network with matching credentials. Outdated firmware or app versions are a primary cause of connectivity problems with the Viofo A129 Duo. Start by ensuring your Viofo app is updated to the latest version, which should be 2.1.0 or higher. Next, check for firmware updates for your A129 Duo. Visit Viofo's official website to download the latest firmware. Follow their installation instructions carefully to ensure a successful update. During the update process, you'll see a loading indicator as the device installs the new software. This ensures compatibility and stability for Wi-Fi connections. Keeping both the app and firmware updated is crucial for compatibility and stability. Viofo regularly releases updates to address known issues, so it's vital to maintain the latest versions. Incorrect Wi-Fi settings can prevent connection. On your phone, forget the Viofo A129 Duo's Wi-Fi network, then reconnect, carefully entering the SSID Viofo A129XXXX and password. On the dashcam, try a Wi-Fi reset. Consult your Viofo A129 Duo manual to perform the reset function. This will clear any cached settings and allow for a clean connection attempt. Also ensure your phone's VPN is disabled during this time, as VPNs can create issues. If basic troubleshooting fails, consider a factory reset of your Viofo A129 Duo. Refer to your manual for specific instructions, as this will erase all settings, including Wi-Fi configurations. As a test, try connecting with a different smartphone or tablet to rule out device-specific issues. This isolates whether the problem lies with your primary phone or the dashcam itself. To prevent future connectivity problems, periodically check for firmware and app updates. These updates often include fixes for Wi-Fi stability and compatibility improvements. Keep your dashcam's lens clean to ensure clear footage during live viewing. A dirty lens can interfere with the camera's performance and affect Wi-Fi connectivity stability. If using a Wi-Fi extender, ensure it's compatible with the A129 Duo. Incompatible devices can cause connection drops and reduce signal reliability. Avoid crowded Wi-Fi channels by using a Wi-Fi analyzer app on your phone to select the least congested channel for your home network. This reduces interference and improves connection stability. If you've exhausted all troubleshooting steps and the Wi-Fi connection remains unstable, a hardware defect may be the cause. Contact Viofo support or your retailer for warranty options. Provide detailed information about the issue, troubleshooting steps taken, and your device's firmware version. Be prepared to provide proof of purchase for warranty claims.